Good morning. Sure, you had a wonderful night. My name is Maxwell Emmanuel, the profitable Forex trader. In this video, I will be sharing my opinion and my bias on some of the major currency for the week that just started last night. Now, starting with Australian dollar USD, let's see what we had last week. Aussie USD, you can see Aussie USD was strongly bullish last week, and the name of this candlestick is Marubozu. This is Marubozu. This is a bullish Marubozu, and when you see a bullish Marubozu, is an indication that the sellers are getting adjusted and buyers are showing up strong in the market. So it is expected that price would remain bullish this week. It is expected that price will keep going up this week on Australian dollar USD. That's technically. Besides that, we had a Marubozu last week. You would also see here that the market closed above a previous supply level. This was a demand level. Turned supply after this candle closed below this previous demand or support level. So last week the market closed above that level. That's a strong indication that we have more buyers in the market than sellers. And as you know, at this point, the demand for this currency pair, which is the base currency Aussie USD, increased. The demand increased, and this was a previous supply. And so at this point, we could say that demand has exceeded supply. We could say demand has exceeded supply, and when demand exceeds supply, price is expected to go up. So that's my expectation for this week. Okay, let's see what we have on Euro USD. Okay, for the past few weeks, we could say price has been consolidating on Euro USD after the formation of this hammer candle. And when you see an hammer candle in a downward trend, it's an indication that the sellers are getting exhausted and the buyers are beginning to show up in the market. And when you see an hammer, it's an indication that the trend is about to change. But you would see 2 weeks ago we had an indecision candle, and after that we had a spinning bottom, and this also is a strong indication that sellers are getting exhausted. So at what point should you consider buying Euro USD? Let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. If you go to 4-hour time frame, let's go to daily. Okay, so on a daily time frame, you would see we have a resistance level here, and at this point you see you have a support demand level. So you have this is a resistance level or supply level, and this is a demand level. Now the supply is increasing. Supply is increasing, and if supply exceeds or closes below this demand level, and that's an indication that we have more sellers in the market and price could keep going down. And if the demand increases from this level, which started last week, if the demand increases and closes above 1.1344, then you might consider buying Euro USD. So that's my take on Aussie USD and Euro USD. Okay, so I wish you a profitable trading week. Like I've always advised, always ensure you apply good risk and money management, because that's what would keep you in this business 5 years, 10 years from now. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Never function with the mindset to double your account in a short time. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick business. If you try to double your account in a short time, there is a high probability that you will blow that account. There's a high probability you will blow that account. So ensure you apply good risk and money management on every trade you execute in the market. Before you execute a trade, you should know the risk involved on that trade. And before you execute the trade, ensure that you are comfortable with the risk. If you're not comfortable with the risk, don't execute the trade. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.